My name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. In this left-handed menu that we have, you also can access the called general app settings. That means you can then give the app a title, description, and you can choose category that you then could filter on the admin area when you search your apps. Also later in the app publishing is quite interesting and important to have the possibility to give a good title and description. You also could select here an icon for this application. And if you're brave, you have the possibility to switch that, and you can have here base 64 URL encoded image string that we also can make use of to show what is your app about. On the marketplace, you see then already how this looks like. Let's jump to marketplace. Here is already used images and icons for applications, so it's easier to identify for your users what is the app about if you make use of that small possibility to set these attributes. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.